In this video, I will show you how to open an N26 bank account. So first go ahead and click on the link down in the description, and when you do that, it will take you to this web page right here. Now here what you want to do is click on Start Free Registration. Then here choose your country of residence, so for me it's the Netherlands, and then click on Get Started. Now here enter your first name, last name, email address and date of birth. Now here you will need to enter your current legal address. Then you need to confirm that this information is correct and then click on Confirm and Continue. Now here enter your nationality and then enter where you were born. Then select your gender and click on Continue. Now here enter if you are also a US citizen or a green card holder. For me this is no, so I'll just click on no. Then enter if you are subject to tax in the United States. I'll also select no for this question. And then they will ask you in which country are you a tax resident. So then just enter the country and you can add your tax ID, but this is not necessary, so I will skip this. So then click continue. And now here you will need to enter a password that you want to have on your account. So just go ahead and fill in your password. Now here double check your personal information and click on continue again. And now to make it official, just accept the terms and conditions. And then to complete it, click on Create My N26 account. And now I already have an account, so I cannot create another one, but for you it will now create your account. And now you can also download the app and log in the app and use it there if you would like to. So again, click on the link down in the description and then follow the steps that I showed you. So that's how to open an N26 bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.